Welcome to excelindy.com. My name is Ajib and today we will try to fetch data from different sources into Excel. So you can see that there is a two type of the option we provided here, SQL Server table and web page and Google spreadsheet. So Google spreadsheet is a very good resource to provide your data as well as fetch your data at centralized source from where you can also fetch data into your Excel spreadsheet, as well as the SQL Server table. If your organization is using the SQL Server table, so you can also directly connect your data table from your Excel. It means you don't need to work on daily basis to fetch data to run a query and then copy paste into Excel. You can directly connect your Excel to your SQL Server. Before fetching your data in from SQL Server into Excel, you must be have SQL Server name, login and password, or might be in your company if they provide you the window authentication, so you can use also that. So first we will try to understand how the SQL server connect here. So basically these the credential we will also try to connect into Excel. I have it. Server name is Dell, maybe in your company maybe the some IP address like 172 point like this. So you can also, they will also provide you the username and password if it is a SQL server authentication. So try to connect. Now that it is connected with my databases. So I have 5 databases: report server, leaning, GBG. So we will try to fetch data from a table name is trial tab. So we will try to fetch, run a query which same has to be executed into your Excel. So now it is executed. Records are fetching from 217 records. So now try to fetch the same records into Excel. So go here. There are the multiple options here. You can also fetch data from analysis services, from MySQL or DVC connection you can create. And we need to work on SQL Server. So we'll go here. Now you need to provide your server name. In my SQL Server credential is a Dell, my server name. So now put Dell. As we have a login and password, so we'll try to use login and password, not as connected. Now the same databases you can see which we here we able to see. So same database is here as well as here. So according the database, its table also itself here. So we'll try to fetch table. Next, save password in the file. Yes, finish. Here are the three options where you can fetch your whole table, or you want to fetch into pivot table. It means a pivot table will be connected your table source, and you can see on the spreadsheet a pivot table which you can summarize database you can see here, as well as you can add the chart with the pivot table. Select new worksheet. Properties, here are the advanced options. It means if a table is being refreshed every minute or maybe every 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes or 60 minutes, you can provide the time wherever the table new refresh. According that time you can also keep connecting your database to your Excel. Whenever new record updated after 60 minutes, it means new record will be published here also. It is automatically processed if the workbook is open. Now here is the, you can also save the password. This SQL, you can also write your queries here to fetch your data. Suppose I just copy this data, this query, paste here. Also we can modify here directly. Next, yes. So you can see the top 10 record has been fetched here. We can also modify that query once again. Directly go to through property option and we now we can change and we try to fetch all the data. Then okay, you can see all the records has been fetched here. So now we need to remember one thing: this is connected directly to your SQL Server table. Suppose if you delete these three records, and now it is already direct connected. Whenever this spreadsheet or this table will be refreshed, all the record once again will be published here. So just try to refresh. So you can see all the record once again has been published here. So this is a way to connect your database. You can save this file, and once again you open this file and you can directly right click and refresh your data. Or if you have set a time for it, so it will automatically will be refreshed. So now other ways: fetch data from Google spreadsheet or the web page. So first of all we have a Google spreadsheet here. So I created, we need to publish this link, copy, and now we'll go once again to data. You can also connect to data from MS Access as well, and text file. Or now we will connect data through Google spreadsheet. Then go, yes. Here you can see this is option to fetch your data. Whenever you get your cursor on it, it will highlight the area which you want to fetch into your Excel. So same multiple sign you can see on web page, so you need to check it. It is checked, it means you want to fetch this table data into your Excel. Now go to import, new worksheet,